Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset back to the factory default settings on your Maxonar VR earbuds designed for PlayStation, for PS5. You're going to want to do this if they're failing to pair either with the dongle or with any Bluetooth device, or if they keep disconnecting, or also if the earbuds themselves get unpaired from each other, which you might notice you're only getting sound out of one ear, like the left ear usually. But anyway, it's really easy to do. What we're going to do is we're going to have the earbuds in the case. We're going to have the case open. And we're just going to come back to the back and we're going to find this button here. And we're going to press and hold it for about 10 seconds until you'll see. Just keep holding it until the lights, both the lights on the earbuds and the lights on the case will blink red. And then go back to the standard pairing of the blinking blue. I'm just going to keep holding it like this. Just keep watching, keep watching. There it goes. There they go. The red, 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 red. The earbuds are still red, so keep holding. And now everything is back to blue, back to pairing. So now you can go ahead and set these up like new. And then if you want all the I have a little video guide on how to actually set these up. You can just click on this video right here. Thanks a lot for watching.